I started my YouTube journey about a year ago. Now, as I turn 44, I cannot help but feel that I waited too long. Today, I want to share with you the mindset shift that finally enabled me to start creating and sharing my work, along with my plan to make the most of the next 12 months as a creator. Hey buddy. 15 years ago, I bought this microphone. I was missing my radio days and I wanted to start a podcast. I wanted to do sound fiction. I threw myself into it and spent months doing research. I read everything I could find about audio storytelling, the use of sound effects, but the deeper I got, the more overwhelming the task seemed. This microphone ended up in a closet. What if instead of buying the microphone, I would have done a test? Written a basic script, recorded it using my laptop's internal microphone, and then repeated the process once a month, each time improving just a little bit, and buying equipment only when I was sure that I was onto something. There's no way to know if I would have found an audience, but I'm sure I would now have a body of work I could be proud of. Don't make that mistake. Whatever it is you've been dreaming of, start messy, start small, just start. That's exactly what I've done with my YouTube channel. After a brief stint in portrait photography, I decided to dip my feet in filmmaking. I found the balance between learning and producing videos. Many ideas begin in my head as a Hollywood super production, until reality kicks in and I understand that I just need to get the job done. I produce my videos with the knowledge I have at the time of recording, pushing myself a little bit harder every time. 1 year and 30 videos later, I'm amazed at how far I've come. And it's not just about production value. I overcame the fear of speaking to camera, the insecurities of making videos in English. Somehow, I've ended up making videos about gear and content creation. These are topics that people want to hear from me, and I enjoy discussing them. But deep down, I know that this is not why I came to YouTube. There's a part in me that feels like I'm betraying the creator in me. I suppose you're talking about me. Wouldn't you like to go all in filmmaking, shooting documentaries, even fiction? Yes, of course, I think about it all the time. Maybe we could do 3 for the algorithm and 1 for you? Why not the other way around? I'm your biggest fan, you know that, but let's face it, nobody watches your videos. 3 reasons to love the Sony ZV-E1. I mean, who cares? Plenty of people care, you watch that kind of content too. Okay, whatever.
Dinner is ready.
We're coming. I'm coming. As a busy parent with a full-time job, one of the hardest things I've had to accept is that there are limits to what I can do as a creator. It might take me years to accomplish what others can do in months. Patience is the name of the game. I cannot dedicate more hours to the channel without sacrificing my well-being or neglecting those I love. A slow burn is far better than burning out. I'm learning to do the work of 10 people. Scripting, shooting, lighting, presenting, editing, grading, audio, marketing. It's a lot. There is so much I want to explore. Different formats, visual storytelling, documentaries, collaborations, interviews, vlogs. I'll keep grinding, 1 video at a time. Script, shoot, edit, publish. Rinse and repeat. Competing for views against incredibly talented people is both challenging and inspiring. It pushes me to refine my craft, stretch my boundaries every day and keep growing as a creator. You can subscribe to my newsletter on content creation, the link is in the description. Check out some of the videos that the creator in me is really proud of, even if they didn't get as many views as I would have liked. Are you ready to start creating and sharing your work with the world? Or are you going to keep finding excuses to put it off?